Yo, what's good, Camera Roller Squad? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks. Welcome to my channel, Cooler with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion. Now, today I got something real chill for y'all real quick. I wanted to holler at y'all about it. The homies reached out. They gave me a few pieces to choose between, and I finally get to do this review for y'all, man, because I've been wanting to do this for a while since y'all been asked. So, what we talking about today is that Cernucci brand that y'all been asking about, bruh. Bam! That's right. Now, Cernucci is the upcoming, what do you want to call it? Hip-hop, Instagram, plated jewelry. Basically, all in all, the more affordable jewelry. Everybody was asking about it, and I finally got a time to do some review about it. So let me just go ahead and kick it to y'all real quick. Y'all know how we do it. Let's get right to it, man. Roll that camera. All right, y'all, man, I'm just gonna hop right into it. I don't even want to waste y'all time too long. So let me just go ahead and drill through this, man. Let me tell you what it is when you get your delivery. All right, if you get the Cernucci box, first thing you're gonna get, that Cernucci box right there, up and down. Y'all got a cool little box. Y'all know how it is whenever you get a box. It's chill, something you can protect your jewelry in wherever you're traveling or whatsoever. It's all good. I dig that. Now on the inside, when you open it, bam, of course you got your Cernucci bag. That's where you can hold your jewelry after you're done wearing it. If you don't want to carry your box around, you got your bag. Now you're all good to go. Also on the inside, you'll have your Cernucci card. You will have this certificate of authentication, and then on the back you have a whole bunch of stuff on the back that's basically saying if you fuck up your jewelry, if you burn it, you break it, you lose some jewelry, or you lose something, some stones that's on the inside, just send it to them. They're gonna send it right back and you'll be all good to go. You'll be fresh just like new. You'll be all good to go. Now that we got that all out the way, man, let's just get to this jewelry. I want to show y'all these three pieces that I got. All right, first thing first, bam, is the prong ring. I don't know if y'all can see that like that. Yeah, there you go. All right, now this prong ring is pretty chill. It wasn't nothing too razzle dazzle. I wasn't too geeked up about it, and I wasn't dissatisfied with it. I mean, it is what it is. It's prong jewelry. It's plated gold. I mean, it is what it is. It's something that's really chill. The thing is, this gives you the opportunity to check out new jewelry. I mean, if you don't know the different type of styles of jewelry, I mean, from your tennis chains to your prong chains and things like that, this gives you the opportunity to start your chain and jewelry game up, I guess you could say so. So starting out with this prong ring, I thought it was pretty chill. It is what it is. Like I said, you have some fun. This is for like your beginner jewelry wear and basically to fake flex if you want to. Now what you have on this ring right here that actually threw me off a little bit, it's like real smooth on the inside. At first I thought it was like plastic that I left on here or some type of sealant that was on here, but it wasn't. And it actually does give the presentation of real gold. For it give it as close as it can be, at least. I think this is real dope. It's something real subtle. It's not too in your face or whatsoever. If you don't want to be out there in the open and trying to buy this big bulky ass jewelry like you trying to flex a little bit too hard, I mean, this is something chill that you could go with and you could walk and do whatever you want to, and you can style and profile, I guess, if you want to or whatsoever. Let's get to the next one. All right, next what we got here is a tennis bracelet. We got that 5mm tennis bracelet. I think that's pretty chill, man. For what it is, it's all right, man. I'm not knocking it or nothing. Like I said, this is more so for the affordable jewelry. So if you get some affordable jewelry and you can't really get that tennis bracelet and you can't really get them chains or bracelets that's thousands of dollars just yet, and you need some jewelry that you want to go to, like I said, this is plated jewelry, man. So you just want to have some fun in it and everything like that. It's all good. I mean, it is what it is. But looking at it, man, I actually think it's pretty chill. It's nothing too exciting about it. I mean, I have my solid gold tennis bracelets, but I mean, like, it is what it is. I mean, for what it is, I think it's pretty chill. I think it's cool whatsoever. All right, bam, for y'all to get a closer look up there, man. I mean, I've worn this a few times. I wore this bracelet maybe like once or twice. It's all right. It's okay. It's all right for the people who just want to have fun with some jewelry. I mean, I could dig it. It's real cool. It doesn't look like there's any breakage or links that's broken or anything. It doesn't have like this nasty partage up in here or anything like that. What I can say, like, when it gets to like the beginning of the jewelry, it seems like it does like tend to separate a little bit too much. And it's not like the bending of my wrist. It's like the flat area of my wrist. So I mean, like, the jewelry separates just a little bit, so it's like spacing, but then when you get to the rest of the area, it's like pretty tight. So I mean, that's the only thing that knocks it off. So if you was to stand next to somebody, like side by side to somebody, I mean, you probably would get popped off. Somebody will look at you like, all right, I know you got a little fake flex on here, but whatever. I mean, like, if you want to have some fun, go ahead, man. It can dig it. I can dig it. It's pretty chill, man. It is what it is. You pretty much getting what you paid for. I mean, I think this is like 112 or something. The ring is like 60 something. So I mean, you pretty much getting what you paid for. You know what I'm saying? All right, and lastly is the tennis chain. This is the choker right here, man. It actually threw me for a loop because I wasn't actually thinking that it was gonna shine like this. I really didn't. I didn't think that it was gonna shine like this. It really does look clean, and I like the minimal look on here. The smaller jewelry that you have from Cernucci, the better it looks. I mean, it looks cleaner. It looks like more presentable and more realistic. When you go too big, that's when I'm thinking you're taking your fake flex a little bit too far. But I mean, if you got something that's small, slim, and chill, this is like the 3mm. I think this is the 3mm white gold. This is real chill, man. I like it. I dig it. It's something for you to have fun in. I wore this a couple times as well, and I had the opportunity to have some fun in this boy. There we go. A little you dig, you feel me? A little you dig, if you can see right there. Boom. I think the shine on here was pretty chill. I mean, I like it. At the same time, I mean, it will go with certain outfits or whatever you wear, outfits, styles, or whatever pieces that you wear. I mean, you could get away with some really good styling on here. I think it's pretty fun. And the good thing about this is you could pretty much wear this in water. Like that's what I think that this sealer is on here for. Maybe that's what it's for. I'm not too sure. I can't be straightforward and say I know that's what it's for, but maybe that's what it is for, why it's like real slick and rubbery. That's the only thing that kind of throw you off, especially when you're trying to feel like if it's like that real texture on here. So it might throw you off a little bit because it threw me off a little bit. But at the same time, like I said, if this is what you're trying to do, you're trying to have like your stunt, you're trying to fake flex a little bit, I mean, go ahead, you get out how you live. So have some fun in it. If you can't really get your jewelry off like that, you can't really get like to the $2,000 chains or $3,000 tennis chains or $500-600 rings and everything like that. I mean, if you want to start off with some jewelry, and we already know some of y'all are young or whatsoever, and even if you're a little bit older, you're just trying to start your jewelry game up and you're trying to look and have a little shine to it, go ahead, have some fun. I would say Cernucci to be one of those brands that you could actually have some fun in, man. It is what it is. I'm not gonna knock anybody that's trying to have some fun with some jewelry, so it is what it is. These boys do not blemish. It haven't faded or anything like that, and I done put it through the water test for real, for real. I done got caught in the rain. I done took a shower in these joints, and it's still pretty good, man. These are still lasting pretty long. But with that being said, man, I'm about to get up out of here, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this real quick. If y'all did, go ahead, hit that like button down below. Go ahead, spam that like button, man. Camera Rolling Squad, y'all know what it is. Go ahead, hit that like button for your homeboy so I could go ahead and boost this channel up a little bit more. And for the people who just joined in, man, and if you agree with something or you disagree with something, go ahead, drop that comment down below. I don't take anything offensively, man. I don't really take nothing offense like that. So if you will wear it, let me know. If you don't want to wear it and you think this ain't the way to go, hey, just drop them comments down below. I ain't knocking it. It is what it is. Y'all feel how y'all feel. Y'all let me know how y'all feel. But with that being said, y'all already know the vibes, man. I'm finna get the hell up out of here, man. Your boy Camcorder Banks. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holler at y'all. Peace.